All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to change your filter on your Waterdrop water filtration system, I guess you would call it. I've got another video on how to install this, so it shows you how to do the plumbing and everything. So I'm not going to cover that, but I will link it here in the description. But today we're just going to replace this filter. It's been about 2 years since I installed this, and it's rated for 19,000 gallons. I have no way of measuring how much we use this, maybe like a gallon per day or something like that. So anyway, I figured let's go ahead and replace it now. It's been over 2 years, so let's get to it. All right, I've got the shut off right back here, if you can see it. It's kind of shiny, so it's reflective, so you can't really see it that well. There we go. So you can see this is the gate valve right here, and it is in the closed position. I just closed it. If you turn it 90 degrees this way towards you, it'll open back up. But this is the closed position. So the next thing I'm gonna do is come here, and the filter says to turn it towards the back to unlock it, and this way to lock it. So we're gonna unlock it by turning it towards the back. All right, I've got the old filter out. It dropped a little bit of water, but not much. I mean, I can clean that up with 2 paper towels. So here's the new one. I'm gonna try to put it in with one hand. So the label will face towards the back of the sink, and then you'll rotate it towards yourself, and you'll feel it lock right there with the label facing you. It's really that easy, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, little bonus footage. We're here on my workshop. Sorry for the mess. Just got done with a big project. But we're gonna cut this old filter open and see what it looks like inside. So I'm just gonna use my skill saw with a regular blade on it, slice through there, and I'll be right back with you. All right, I've got the filter out now, the filter element. I had to cut the top off and do a little bit of chiseling to get this to slide out of there because it had a little lip that prevented it from sliding out. But that's what it looks like. Some of the debris on there is from cutting it open. You can see the little plastic pieces even on my hand. So I'm not sure if this just looks dirty. I'm not going to crack open a new one to compare it because I don't want to waste 30 bucks. But there's nothing that I wouldn't expect to see here. It feels like there's some media inside of this, and then this black, I'm not sure if that's supposed to be white or black, but I'm thinking maybe it has charcoal or something in there. But anyway, that's the old filter, and we'll see you guys on the next project.